video, you will learn how to use Snapchat on PC or laptop. First, you have to search Download Snapchat on PC or Windows. Then click on Download for PC, Malavida. Just click Snapchat Download and wait for it to finish. Click the file on your downloads and you should see these files. You have to first download BlueStacks on your PC or laptop to use Snapchat. Just follow the instructions given and you will be able to download BlueStacks. When finished, you will see this surface on your computer. Then click on this button to open the Snapchat file and download it. This will take a while, and when finished, you will see the Snapchat icon. Click on it and you will be able to open Snapchat. And there you have it. Just log in on your Snapchat account and you will be able to use it freely on your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.